Welcome to Signal to Alpha, your essential morning market briefing. I'm Lady Muriel, cutting through the noise to deliver what moves markets today. Let's get you your alpha before the opening bell. Here's what's moving markets this morning. The Senate has reached a breakthrough on government funding, sending futures sharply higher. We're seeing major diplomatic developments with Syria, significant corporate M&A activity in the pharmaceutical space, and important settlements in the payments industry. Economic data is raising questions about tariff impacts, while political developments continue to shape the landscape. Let's break down each of these stories. Starting with markets and the shutdown resolution. The Senate breakthrough ending the 40-day government shutdown is driving a strong open. The Dow is up 70 points, the S&P up 0.7%, and the Nasdaq futures jumping 1.2%. Bitcoin hit $106,511 overnight. After over 5 weeks of gridlock, 8 Senate Democrats broke ranks Sunday night, joining Republicans to advance government funding through late January. The shutdown's economic impact was substantial. Over 2,500 flights were canceled Sunday as the FAA cut traffic 10% at 40 major airports due to air traffic controller shortages. Treasury Secretary Bessent warned the shutdown could slash quarterly growth in half. The deal includes SNAP funding through September and reverses Trump administration layoffs. On the diplomatic front, President Trump hosts Syria's Ahmed al-Shara at the White House today in a historic diplomatic pivot. This follows UN sanctions removal Thursday and marks Syria joining the global coalition to defeat ISIS. The administration is suspending Caesar Act sanctions for 180 days and allowing Syria to reopen its Washington embassy. Turning to corporate developments, Pfizer secured Metsera for up to $10 billion, defeating Novo Nordisk after raising its bid by approximately $2.7 billion from the initial $7.3 billion offer. This gives Pfizer entry into obesity drugs after its own development efforts failed. Additionally, Visa and MasterCard struck a major settlement with merchants in a lawsuit dating to 2005. The deal lowers interchange fees over time and relaxes the honor all cards policy. Goldman Sachs, meanwhile, insists AI stocks have room to run despite high valuations, arguing we're not in bubble territory yet. On the economic and political front, American Enterprise Institute analysis shows tariffs would need to hit 42.5% to eliminate the manufacturing trade deficit, well above the current 18% effective rate. Small business owners warn this holiday season may be the last they can hold prices steady, with increases expected in 2026 as cost pressures mount. Politically, Trump pardoned Rudy Giuliani, Mark Meadows, and Sidney Powell for activities related to 2020 election challenges. Nancy Pelosi announced she won't seek re-election after her current term ends in 2027, closing a career that saw $130 million in stock profits with a 16,930% return. Bottom line for traders, the shutdown resolution removes a major overhang, but watch whether Republicans can maintain coalition discipline in the House with only a 2-vote margin. AI and tech leadership remains critical for broader market direction. The dollar index held flat overnight while gold jumped 1.2% and crude added 0.7%. That's your signal to alpha for today. Subscribe for tomorrow's essential market briefing. Trade smart, stay informed. See you at the opening bell.